Frustrated with your marketing ROI? Let's talk about the speed of sales versus the speed of marketing when it comes to revenue. You're a B2B business with a high value, highly customizable solution resulting in long sales cycles. You've invested in an army of sales assassins that close deals and win business. So what's the problem? Oh, you need more leads to feed the assassins, huh? Research from CSO Insights indicates that 74.6% of B2B sales to new customers take at least 4 months to close, with almost half, which would be 46.4%, taking 7 months or more. What does that say about the speed of B2B marketing? If I were to guess, I'd say that the 7 to 12 brand impressions that you need to convert a stranger to a prospect don't happen overnight. So when the request is more leads, my first question is always, what does your external communications look like? Are you contributing to the various conversations going on around you? Are you sharing your expertise and solving problems in the public domain? Or are you just posting about your services and how great you are in hopes that it will garner favor? In case you haven't made the connection yet, for this discussion, external communications is marketing. The coordinated, intentional communications that you share publicly. So you need more leads because no one likes cold calls or emails. Like, nobody. Even the funny, endearing ones. No one likes them. These days, if someone is on a sales call, they know what you do well enough to sacrifice their time for a conversation. But what happened before to create that knowledge and the small kernel of trust that triggered that sacrifice? Track all you want, but it's abstract, intangible, and nonlinear. Why? Because we as humans are living inside of our abstract minds that process through a filter of intangible emotions, experiences, and accumulated knowledge, which will always be interpreted as nonlinear by third parties, because they in turn are in their abstract minds processing information through their lens of emotion, accumulated knowledge, and past experiences. Back to our timeline. What got them to the point that they were willing to have a conversation? It's typically not a single what. And that is the major factor in the speed of marketing versus the speed of sales. With sales, there's a one-to-one impact of effort. Even if they have a buying committee, these interactions offer faster feedback for adjustment, making them highly measurable and easier to attribute an action to an outcome. Whereas with marketing, your efforts are dispersed from one to many. Yes, there are metrics, but until someone becomes an actual lead, you have no clue how many impressions both on and offline drove their behavior. Disclaimer. Technically, there are ways to get around this, but we are avoiding the pay-to-play options because if your messaging and digital presence are not up to par, you're wasting your money anyways. Also, we are not making a case for the value of marketing here. If you don't see the value of putting energy into engaging strangers and providing value to grow your potential pool of prospects, then you are beyond our help. So, what we are saying is that in B2B businesses, particularly those with long sales cycles and highly customized solutions, you should remember that a long sales cycle could indicate that the need for customer education is greater. And there you have it. If you are frustrated with your marketing ROI, you should examine your investment in customer or market education. What is the prerequisite knowledge that the person in the sales call has? What are the reasons that your current customers chose you? What are you doing to make sure that strangers are receiving this same knowledge? You need more leads right now, but your competitors have been consistently showing up, solving problems with content, and engaging with their audience on things that they care about, even if it's just current events. So when the challenge arises, the prospect calls the company that has created value and made them feel seen. Simple as that. That's why we have sales and marketing running simultaneously, because you have to play the long game, especially when you're selling services or innovative solutions. The best thing that you can do to mitigate your frustration with your marketing ROI is to get started. Number one, find a way to operationalize thought leadership production inside of your organization. Marketing should be a part of your culture. Marketing is everyone's job. And until your subject matter experts are consistently contributing to your external communications, you can't win at this game. Number two, build a list to provide value in their inbox. Go find them where they are. Don't be spammy. Provide value and solve problems right in their inbox. And number three, don't just post, but engage on social media. If you need support in making a plan, there's a link to impossibility.com below. That's with an I, not a Y. I'm Nikivia, the Chief Creativa, your favorite B2B branding and marketing strategist. At Impossibility, we start by asking what's possible and get to work making your vision real. Like and subscribe. You don't want to miss the next video. Thank you. Bye.